Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Smash the likes, hype it up, guys. It is a spicy Friday. We're going live very shortly. I put on the countdown because you guys wanted me to. Let's go. Let's go. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Happy Friday, everybody. This is God speaking. Pump the coin. Pump it. You must pump it up. All right, I'm almost ready here. We're going live early. Welcome. Give me 2 minutes. Engage with the live. If you're bullish today, I want to see it. Let me know in chat. Are you feeling it? Everybody else got bearish. We stayed bullish. Same story every cycle. Got it. You like the dings? You like dings? I'll put the link in there. It's a free site. Nope, don't like the dings. That's okay, goofball. They're almost done. We're almost ready. Budding, 105,000 US dollars. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Only 170 viewing. Man, we got to get this engagement up. 60 seconds. Let's go. Volume check. Check, check. Check, check. There we go. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go, man. Start the live. My throat's dry. I almost cracked my voice here. What is up, my friends? Bitcoin. Who's feeling bullish today? If you're feeling bullish today, let me know in chat. Put a 1 in chat. If you're feeling bearish, get out.
Get out! This place isn't for you. No, I'm just kidding. You're allowed to be bearish. We need both sides of the coin. But let's go. I don't know how you're feeling. I don't know how you're feeling down today. Let's recap here. 4 days ago, or I think it was on Monday. On Monday, a lot of fear in the market. In our own bullish chat, this is the church of the bulls. In our own church, we had some heretics talking about a bear market, saying, "Oh, it's over. Oh no, Bitcoin's dead. It's over. Bear market." And that's okay. It's to be expected. We saw some scary price action. A lot of you wondering if it's going to keep continuing down, and we said, no one knows the future, but here's a thought. This is how we ended that stream. If you're feeling panicked, the same way when you're feeling FOMO, you're feeling emotional either direction, maybe you're feeling FOMO today, keep this advice in mind. Whenever you're feeling fear or euphoria or FOMO, and you want to make an impulsive decision in the moment, this happens a lot in trading. Whenever you have that idea, that feeling, you have to identify it, no one else can call you out. Take a moment, disconnect. Walk away, do something else, go to the gym, play with a puppy, talk to a girl, talk to a boy. I mean, dude, love is love, baby, do what you want. Play video games, anything. Cook some food. Whatever it is, disconnect with the chart. Come back in a few hours. If you feel the same way then, go ahead, follow through. Always keep in mind, you don't have to be all in. You don't have to be all out. You can trim. We like to say take partial profits. All in, all out, terrible mindset. There are many ways to handle these emotions. And as we are now in a beautiful Greek candle, we're probably feeling the other way. We've earned it. We've got some good stuff on this chart. We're going to get into it in this episode. This candle is not just spicy. It is fundamentally a good signal. We do have a little tailwind ahead, or a little, call it headwind ahead. Coming up next week, we'll get into that as well. XRP has been blowing people away. XRP is still looking healthy. There's a lot on this chart, boys. We are live early, and I appreciate you tuning in. We've been live on YouTube almost 6 years. That's coming up this year, 6 years. We do our best to give you the best analysis we can. Try not to be biased. I don't accept any money from any projects that tell you to buy stuff. Unlike 99% of the crypto space, we are here for you. We want you to succeed, and that is why I do this. I do it for you guys. Let's get into it. How are you feeling today? Who is here today? We have 250 live viewers. We're just starting up. We're just getting into it. We have a lot to go over, a lot of charts, a lot of talk. Who's here today? How are you feeling? Mike? Mike?
That could be why. Damn, dude. Wonder why that happened. Thank you. Thank you, man. Jin, you're the G. Baptist, you're the G. Smitty, you're the G. Ian, you're the G. Who else called it out? Captain Swag, Knees, Ian. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Apparently, so the camera has its own mic, and sometimes it will decide to activate, and that's why you get that weird sound. Better? There we go. Damn. Could you hear what I said in the intro? I bet you could. You guys take care of me. It's mutual. I take care of you. You take care of me. Who's here? God's here. CVO, my guy. CVO, welcome to the Crown fam, my friend. Let's get this man a wrench here. CVO joining our group along with Alex O Crypto. More on that later. I don't want to show the group yet. That's mid-episode stuff. We will have our next exclusive Q&A trading session tomorrow, 1 to 3 p.m. East, something. It's going to be in that range. Maybe it'll go on longer. But more about that later. Bitcoin at 105,000, and you guys, my mic cut out. Is it good now? It's good now. 105,000, and you guys are feeling the energy. That sweet, sweet voice. There we go, baby. What's up, Blockchain Report? Ian, my guy. You're feeling the love. I see you in the chat. I see Stress. I see World of Wonders. Obi Man 2K. Always Explicit. I see some new names in the crowd. Is anyone new to this channel? Anyone tuning in for the first time wondering what in the actual hell is going on this station? This guy's wearing a tank top, wearing sunglasses. What's happening? Does he live in a chart? I do. Barefoot Sailing Adventures is here, brother. Can I get on your boat sometime? I need some boat time. Bad Baptist, my guy. Boss, Beam, Bullish Crypto, Captain Shawag. What's up, Adrian? Boss. Ooh, I see some stuff coming in. We got some new memberships. What's up, Pennyways, Obi Man 7? Renewing them memberships. Hells to the maybe we'll give some away here in a minute. Chad Haynes, how are you? Chad Chase, Crypto Soothsayer, Crypto Arrow. You know, CVO, you can put your link in the chat here once if you'd like. I'll shout you out later. David Gelfan, doesn't matter to you. Dose Drew, what's up, brother? Derple, El Ritan, Fern Malo. Who is? I see new names. I see a lot of new names. Who's new? How did you guys find us? Did the spice get you? GoFundMe for a new mic. Wait, is it still messed up? I hope not. I hope not. You're on speakerphone. That's funny. I think it's fixed. Pump that audio volume, guy. Is it low? What's going on, dude? There was some weird electrical thing. My internet went out this morning. Maybe my power went out last night and reset everything. I'm fine. Good. GRT, what's up, bro? Retail has arrived. Have they? We only have 310 live viewers. I mean, in March we were banging 2-3K concurrent. I don't know if retail's here yet, but I do agree retail's picking up the scent again. It smells blood in the water. What's up, Fetmex, Gasuni, God, Guinevere, Slater, what's up, man? Gooey, Goofball, GRT, Hukiri, Hosty, I am Indie, Ian, ENF, Iguana, Jovo, Jin Doe, John, Jushma, Josh, Crypto Junkie, what's up, brother? Kira, Keys, Quicker, Lee, Line Trash, Long Mountain, Meme Tick, Mr. Days, Myrmidon, Naj Mahal, what's up, bro? Neil Novocaine, One House Productions, Pennyways, Peter, Queen. How are you doing, Queenie? How you doing? Robert Nitz, Robbie, RPM, RTS, Rude, Sergio, Shane Smitty, Spiro, Stress, T-Mick, TBJ, Blockchain Report, Pickle, Poolman, The Real Isabella Cat, The Real Pimmer, Trill Ton, VV Pooski, Web Dev Newbie, what's up, bro? World of Wonders, we got some returning names I haven't seen in a while, but who's new? Did I miss anybody? Did I miss anybody? We got some new people. That should be the new, let's put that as a poll. Pickle, could you put that as a poll up? Could you close this one and ask who's new and do like, are you new to crypto, new to the channel, new to both, or like neither? Could you put that up? Take your time. I want to know. I feel like there might be new people here. Banging 2 to 3K. Get your electrons. Banging. All right, yo, that's actually funny. You got me. We're going to have laugh tracks starting Monday. I'm going to get the laugh track going because that would have been a great time for laugh tracks. New, a lot of vagina. You're always new, baby. How you feeling about this chart? Appreciate my content. Thank you, Dorvat. Devorit. I appreciate your viewership, my friend. This chart is looking so good. So good. Let's zoom out here. A lot on here. It's been a long journey. We've done a lot with this chart. Let's zoom out. This chart is on normal. Usually we're on logarithmic, but I enjoy this line, so I'm going to keep it there. Our previous all-time highs, this yellow trend, very thick, very juicy, extending all the way to current price action. People got bearish right here. Isn't that crazy? People got bearish on top of a previous all-time high trend line. That wild to me. I get it though. We had a really painful kind of journey here with all-time highs right back down, all-time highs right back down, all-time highs right back down. It was abusive at best, this price action. This has been shit to trade, absolute shit. I have traded very little because this chop, you guys know I don't like chop trading. I like a definitive market, and we may have some signals of a definitive market coming up here. I have to get to that, but I also have to get to the warning. Don't let me forget. The last specifically, honestly, specifically this year, January, has been shit. We have moved up to a lower high, fallen down, broken that low. So we began a downtrend. But on Monday, we said, this is looking like a liquidity sweep. This is getting bought back up. We're not seeing this like dump like I would expect this to dump if that was what's going to happen. We bounced up. And yesterday gave us the ultimate freaking cliffhanger, man. We moved up to our descending trend line from our all-time high to January's high on Wednesday. Thursday, it looked like we were going to reject. It literally looked like we were going to reject. Like, watch this. The similarity between these is the reason this is so painful. Check this out. So January's lower high to 102K. Look specifically at these candles, right? It is a strong move up. Like, I want to say flag pull up into a flag, right? Touched that top trend. Look at the dump down. Reversed, stronger than it moved up. This price action on Thursday or yesterday, so similar. The strong pull up, not quite a flag, but still similar in the sense of kind of these higher highs, looking like it wants to break. You're right up on the trend line, and watch this dump. Boom, right here, right there, man. I guarantee so many people got stopped out of long positions. So many people got baited into shorts. Like, look at this. If you use logic, you would say it's going to dump again. It's going to do the same thing, but it didn't. Bulls came in. This is looking so good. We have had trap after trap after trap for longs. Longs getting absolutely decimated. Shorts gaining confidence, growing here. Look at this, man. This dump down, tight channel down, stops. You hit the trend line again for the third time. Barely bounce. Lower low, sweep liquidity, break market structure, and then almost as a miracle, you began climbing again. You look to repeat that same dump, and this time you made a different move. Bulls showing a lot more energy. They are showing so much more here than we've seen all year. It's easy to lose track or lose sight of how bullish this market is. It's weird because there's no excitement. There's no new, like, what's this poll at? Is there even like any new people here? I kind of doubt it. Maybe new to the channel, but I doubt there's like that many new investors. Let's see. To this channel 10, we only have 90 votes. To crypto 4. To investing 1. Interesting. Good ad there, Pickle. Not new. I don't know. Keep voting here. Let's get some better numbers. This is not what we would expect to see when the market is in the condition it's in. It is reflective of kind of the sentiment that the market's in, but not of what's actually happening, guys. We are on, I can't even like say this enough. We are on the third green yearly candle in a row. This is the same path Bitcoin has always taken. 1, 2, 3 green years in a row. The third year has the all-time high, has a blow off top. The next year we enter a bear market. This year we're looking for more all-time highs. I think we'll see an all-time high here in Q1, and then I think we'll see maybe 2 months or 2 quarters of boring over the summer, as we do, and then another all-time high in Q4 of this year, and that will likely wrap up the cycle. Next year we'll likely see that retrace. We'll likely see the bear market talk come back. We'll hear of bear market talk all the way up the way we have. Think about it. We have seen and heard the bears claim victory how many times? How many times have the bears claimed victory, guys? How many times has, I don't know, Crypto Savvy or Capo been like, hey, suckers, I told you. And they're little like, I don't know, gremlin-y, like, I got you guys. Like a little, I don't know, like the Penguin, a villain in Marvel or something. How many times? And nothing bearish has happened. Literally nothing bearish. This was boring, but it wasn't that bearish. We have only seen this climb healthily. And I'll even say maybe the strongest we've ever seen Bitcoin climb. The bearishness that keeps creeping in, it's not on the chart, and it's not technical. It's right up here. This is our biggest enemy in trading. This is our biggest hurdle. In fact, sometimes I even recommend people try out like algorithmic or bot trading simply because you can remove that element. It takes a lot of work too. It's not easy, but you just remove that mental element. And you're just looking at the numbers. And the more we can do that and the closer we can align our thinking with that, the better we do on average. Easy peas. Nothing has happened. We've had shakeouts, but we've always had shakeouts. These runs up have always had shakeouts. We didn't have the biggest shakeout there. Back in 2015, 16, look at these shakeouts. These are 30, 40%. Didn't do diddly. Didn't do diddly. Here we are on the week, and this is looking amazing. Let's actually get into some TA here instead of some rambling. Look at this. We are back to December's weekly high close right before the all-time high. With how much time left in the week? 2 days. 2 days, 7 hours. We have been looking for the test of this since we fell. If you guys watched this channel over the last 4 weeks, you've heard me say we're going to go back to 104.5 at some point. Like, we're going back there simply because this is a weekly resistance and there's liquidity there. It took its time. I'll admit it. I thought it was going to happen quicker. But here we are. You saw the little take profit there. That was a little trade I put in the group last night. Here we are looking for potentially the highest weekly close ever in Bitcoin history. I have my I have some skepticism We'll see. I have a few ways this might play out. So I've also talked about a concept of something coming up on Monday, and this is why the weekly close is going to be big. Until the last 3 days, this has been a downward movement. You know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's stick to the TA first. Let's do the chart first. Weekly VWAP's coming up. I like that. Money flow starting to trend up. Really a close above 98.3. This is our major weekly level. We have a bullish engulf above 98.3. We haven't seen a bullish engulfing candle since the 2nd of December. No, that's not true. Right here. Okay, fair. Not as exciting as I thought. Bullish engulf, but it's also a fair value gap, order block, building support below us. This is just such a savage fucking shakeout. Every single time we move up, at least like in Bitcoin's history of me watching, from a major leg, what happens? It happened right here potentially. It happened on Monday. This happens every time. We see some kind of structure build. We see that structure break. We see a new low, August 5th, and then we move up. That happened here too. Look at it. Look back in January. January of last year. Moved to a high. Boom. Broke structure. Swept liquidity. Moved up. Happened before then too. It always happens. Moved down. Slightly higher high. Broke structure. Moved up. Broke structure, moved up every time, over and over and over again. The moves up, they're like big legs, always begin with a lower low. They always start with a sweep of liquidity. This weekly candle, if it closes here, is amazing. It has the sweep of liquidity, it has a bullish engulf, and it looks to break that weekly resistance. This is awesome. So much has happened already in this month. We have traded into a red year. We traded back to a green year, back to a red year with a lower low. Check this out. Look at our month now. This monthly candle is going to fill this wick. That's my prediction. 108.5. It's gonna break. We got 2 weeks. The weekly and monthly now in bullish engulf, and really it's the same level. It's around 96, 97,000 to take both. I think bulls are going to defend that. I think they're going to defend it into the end of the week or into the end of the month. Let's go down to the day. I placed this trade in our new group. It's a little special alert, little special trade there. Are my buttons working? No. Dude, Stream Deck, you work like half the time. You work sometimes. Pinned to the top of the chat, our new group, we are going to have on Saturday, our fourth exclusive like Q&A trading stream. They're very small. There was only maybe 10 people last time. If you are in the group, you get to talk to me. You get to ask questions in person. There's nothing more valuable. We just added 3 more analysts to the group who are going to be helping out, going to be doing exclusive live streams in the Discord. They're going to be answering questions. They're going to be doing the same. We're going to have a streaming schedule published probably by next week. So far, it looks like it's going to be pre-packed. But we're going to have our next one tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. Still time to sign up. You can still get 50% off using that promo code. You can join us. Shout out to CVO Crypto and ALGO Crypto, my guys, and Poppy. Very talented streamers, analysts. Welcome aboard. I told you I'm going to do everything I can to make this awesome, to make this the most value, to help people. And that's what we're doing. Day in, day by day. It's taking time. But we are getting there. We're absolutely getting there. Why is this not working? Why is it not working? I'll figure it out later, I suppose. Yeah. This Stream Deck, dude, my computer, what happened to my computer last night? Everything is like logged out weirdly. The mic speaker was on. My Stream Deck like is almost factory reset. There we go. There's the group link. Finish this analysis, get back to the chat. Finish the analysis, get back to the chat. You're new to crypto. Is it a good moment to buy DDG? Hacked? Maybe. I better check my ledger. Is it a good time to buy? It depends. Depends what position you're in, man. There's a lot of questions. You know, I wish it was ever as easy as yes or no. Is it a good time to begin building a position in Bitcoin? Absolutely. That's what I can say. Day. Boom. Let's look at some of these. Look at some of these indicators that we were looking at earlier this week. Look at our daily. I was worried on Wednesday about this cloud. Remember, I said the top of the cloud and the bottom of the cloud tend to reject price. I guess we had some different thoughts. In fact, we are setting up here now. This is a really big fake out. We are setting up for a cross above the cloud. That is a very bullish daily signal. Leaving the cloud like this, amazing. But you see the TK and KJ below, just like a moving average cross, are doing that same thing. They're looking to give us a bullish upside signal. Leaving the cloud, right back on track. In fact, this candle is the first candle that on the day Ichimoku cloud is saying we're in an uptrend since the 6th of January on Monday. This one obviously sold off. It was just one close. We've had 3 candles now. Ichimoku cloud finally turning bullish, looking good. Another big concern we had earlier in the week. You got a big concern. That Wednesday sell-off we had rejected from the 20 daily. We were under the 50 daily. And this, while it is not bull run ending, is not a bullish sign. And we've seen long consolidation periods start with this, like last year in October or whatever. October, November. Here we are back on top. Yesterday's candle back testing the 50, moving higher. This chart has gone from the lowest, crappiest looking thing on Monday to bullish as hell now on Friday. Amazing. We now have a higher high in the month, intra-month higher high. We were in a downtrend. This candle today breaks that downtrend. It puts it back into more of a neutral state of we could be kind of trending in either direction. Until this high was here, we had a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. That's a downtrend. Here we go. Bullish engulf in the day. So we have a daily bullish engulf, weekly bullish engulf, monthly bullish engulf. It's hard to be bearish now. That being said, let me actually get to what I was gonna say, and then we're gonna get into the chat, see what you guys are looking at, talking about. Here's my warning. If we continue to run, hell, even if we close here over the weekend, Monday is going to be interesting. We have a very big macro event that is scheduled. People have been looking forward to it for months. There's a lot of expectation, and that is the presidential inauguration. We have Trump coming into office, a more favorable crypto regime coming in. Now, I'm going to warn you, that may be good for this whole year. That may make our highs even higher, may make things even more exciting, right? Having a favorable regime in office in the US, I think that's very logical, makes a lot of sense. But on Monday, I will caution you. I am likely going to close my trading positions, likely going to close my longs Sunday night, depending. We'll see what happens. 104.4, great place to take a little profit too, trim. But I'm likely going to close my positions before the inauguration day. And why? Tom, that's crazy. Shouldn't it go to the moon? That just doesn't seem to be how crypto or Bitcoin works, right? When we have something as expected, as scheduled, as like certain as this, we have almost never seen the predictable or logical outcome happen. Almost never, guys. Be careful. Similar to like an FOMC. If we're seeing a trend up, we usually see it reverse, even if the news is good. If we're trending down and the news is bad, we usually see it reverse and move back up. I think we're going to get something similar. I think the least likely scenario, knock on wood, I mean, I'd love to be wrong, but the least likely scenario is that we run today, run tomorrow, run Sunday, inauguration day comes on Monday, and we moon. Very unlikely. Very unlike Bitcoin. Certainly not impossible. I don't pretend to know the future. Anything can happen. No one knows for sure what's going to happen. I'm just sharing with you my observations in the space, and they point to really whatever direction we're going in, we're likely to reverse on Monday. And to show you I'm not being just a perma bull bias, when we were down here Monday on January, I remember saying, we're down. We have inauguration next week. If we're still trending down, be careful with shorts on that day. We're likely to see a reversal if we're trending down by inauguration. But here we are, and I think that the most logical thing is going to be more green candles over the weekend. I think we see today close strong. I think we see smaller candles Saturday and Sunday, though we may even see technically an all-time high before then. That is absolutely on the table now. And then I think Monday, we get something that at least shakes out those positions. It doesn't have to be a doom candle, though it could be. But I think we see something that at least shakes those new positions out over the weekend. So be careful. That's my alpha. You're not going to get that everywhere. Most people are going to feed into your confirmation bias of like, yeah, Trump coming into office, it's going to moon that day. Like, because that's what we want to hear. That would be easy. That would be euphoric and nice and fun and good. But that just does not seem to be the way. Does not seem to be the way that this market works. Not at all. All right, boys. I'm done ranting, pontificating. We've got a few more votes on here. Not too many. 255 votes. Can we still get more? 14% are new to this channel. 21% are new to crypto, which I also assume means new to the channel. 23% I'll say are new overall. Interesting. Welcome, fam. If you are part of this 13, 7, or 1%, could you say hello? Could I welcome you to our family? You found this channel at the right time, the perfect time. The odds of you finding this channel are not so good. Oh yeah, we're gonna look at Litecoin, we're gonna look at XRP, don't worry. The odds of you finding this channel, not so good. As you can see, we do not have a jillion viewers right now. Our channel is humble at 150,000 subscribers. We're not the biggest, but we are the best. We are the best for you and your success. Let's put it that way. Hold up. I jumped into this stream. I was not prepared. Like Illidan, I was not prepared. There we go. This thing always looks weird. What's up, Junaid, my friend? Welcome. Did I miss those? New to leverage, Gooey. You should just stay new to leverage, bro. If you're going to trade leverage, yeah, use my links. Use my exchange links so I can make a little money. A little of that money that's from the exchange comes to me instead. But stay new to leverage. If you're new to crypto, do not start trading leverage. I don't care if I make money. Like, you use my links, I make money. Ooh, here we go. We're pumping. I don't care. Don't use leverage if you're new. You don't need to. It's just going to lose you money. I promise. Start with spot, or start with paper, then go to spot. Prime time, baby. We are still going. 105,250. Hope we get over total. Oh, we're going to look at total. So guys, we need to look at a few things. Let me pull this over. We need to look at a few things. Litecoin. Touch on Litecoin just because I want to. I want to look at it. This chart's looking so beast. Oh, that's the 1 minute. This chart is looking so beast. We'll get to Litecoin. This is going to be the best I told you so ever. It's going to be better than the Doge I told you so. One thing at a time. We have to look at the XRPs. The XRPs. We'll get into Ripple shortly. Let me organize my charts. We'll get into Ripple shortly. We might have to go back to the corn though. This is still pumping. We could probably look at like HBAR moving a little bit, not as much. Total crypto market cap, absolutely on board, on deck. This is very, very good. What we have seen is very, very good. We'll get to this. Probably have some people who want to look at Cardano, right? We always do. We'll pull that up. We got a lot to look at. Solana. Always have Solana fans. We'll look at the Sol. We're going to catch up with a lot of charts that we've neglected today. It's Friday. I'm feeling good. You're feeling good. We've got some new people here. New all-time high. Wait. BTC.GBP just put on an all-time high. Hold up. No. Nah, you're joking with me. You're pranking me. GBP. Look at me. I'm too excited. Too excited. Can't even type in GBP. What? Literally all-time high right now. Wow. I guess my prediction came true. Should we change the title to Bitcoin all-time high right now? Because technically that's true. Okay, I'm doing it. All-time high today. Let's go. Bitcoin literally at all time. That is picture perfect. What a bullish signal for the market. Holy shit. Holy shit. We see right now in real time, we are at an all-time high for Bitcoin against the pound. And what's interesting is the pound was such a stickler back here. The pound was moving. I remember we were watching all these and the pound was like the last one to actually break the all-time high. Yeah, back here in February. Everything else had like just touched over it. Remember like the Australian dollar had, the Canadian dollar had, I believe the euro had, maybe the euro was a stickler too, but GBP was like the slowest. And then it finally broke. Here we are. Now GBP leading the way. Likely this means though that the pound is weak today. The pound may be moving down. It may be losing strength against, let's say, the dollar. I'm gonna tweet this. This is awesome, dude. You're the man for pointing that out. You're the man for pointing that out. Let's make it clickbaity. Let's do breaking. Siren. Here we go. Breaking. Bitcoin. All-time highs. There we go. There it is. Beautiful. I appreciate that so much. That's awesome. We definitely have to look at this. Holy fuck. What does this even mean? Is the dollar just on a complete tear again? Is that what's happening? And so the pound is down? We'll have to pull up the dollar. I don't think I got any alerts on it. 2025, we got a lot to look at. While we're doing this, while I'm pulling this up, I wouldn't say that's a ripper, it's green, but interesting. What is actually happening? While I'm going through this, please make sure you've liked the stream, subscribed, help hype it up. The more you engage with the live stream, the more YouTube shows this to new people. If you could share it out, engagement counts as sharing, putting a message in the live, voting in the poll, liking, subscribing, I don't know, all the stuff. All of it shows you're enjoying this show. It means a lot. It's not placebo, but also these buttons here, they are placebo, I think. I don't think they actually do anything. But if you could click these a little bit, that would help too. LFG, that's right, sweet Bid McGee. We are at all-time highs. All right, this changes like the whole outcome today. This changes everything for me. This changes it all. Bitcoin. Let's do some GBP. Let's do some GBP analysis. Let's bring this down for the dollar. Okay, I got an alert set at 106. Let's do GBP analysis. So all these charts are valid. That's the cool part. Whoa, is this real? Did they even have a GBP pair on Coinbase in 2017? Can you imagine if you had a buy order on Coinbase in February 2017 for 50 pounds? You'd be up 1,000x. Holy shit. Okay, let's do a little analysis. Zero Chief getting close to all times as well. Dude, this is wild, silent fart. Just made me say that. Just made me say that. This is wild though, because I watch these, not the closest, but I do watch them. And GBP has been like the slowest mover. Like everything else will break, and then GBP will break like usually when the dollar does, and the dollar is also like the last to like break the highs. So to see this move ahead, there has to be something going on. Does anybody know? There has to be some kind of thing. I would imagine the GBP is just tanking, and we'll look closer into that. The dollar versus GBP then, but we'll look into that then. There has to be something. GBP sucks? Dude, it's not usually. Usually it's strong as hell. Maybe it's going to go to parity again. Okay, let's take a zoomed out look here on the GBP. The previous 2017 run, our 1618 extension, when we use our fib tool, gave us 48K, topped out at 51K. Let's do that same analysis today with the last run, 118K. I think that's too low. Honestly, I think that's too low for bull market peak, but a great profit taking target. Certainly, if you've taken no profit and 119,000 pounds hits, good time to shave some off. That's only a 37% gain from here. That would be the equivalent of Bitcoin dollar moving to about 135, 140K. Interesting. Interesting. More moonish target, I'll take that. 200,000 pounds. I think that's where we're going. I think we break all that cycle shit this year. Shared on Twitter. My man. Sweet Bid McGee. We need jams. All right, all right. I've been enjoying the playlist we had on the last few streams, but every time I play it, the stream gets like restricted. It's okay. 25 EDM mix. It gets restricted because there's some song in it that, you know, it gets restricted in Russia though, so screw it. Ooh, probably too loud. Sorry, fam. Probably too loud. Turn on the tunes. I'm turning on the tunes, and you're engaging with the live. That's our deal. Yeah, we'll listen to this again. I like this. Let's shout out to EDM Universe, a channel with 5K subscribers and 500,000 views on this stream. Shout out to all the artists that are featured in here that he doesn't credit. Please don't sue us for playing your music. All right. How's that volume? Just guessing. Copyright? Yeah, I mean, it's all copyrighted. It's just remixed, so it's like kind of grayer. It's not as bad as like directly playing the songs, but it's like, yeah. They take all the ad revenue, they restrict it. You hope I am all right. Can I take a look at AMP? Mike, Milkman? Perhaps. We got to get through some other stuff. Perfecto, a tad louder. I got you, fam. How's that? Down on music. Give it a second. I just changed the volume. Got to give it like 30 seconds. Let me know. Let's go. Higher volume, lower volume. Well, we just want it in the background. Good, Pickle. Pickle Pigucci. All right, all right. Make crypto great again 2025. That is what we're doing, fam. The Bitcoin British pound right now, in this moment, at all-time high. If that's not a leading signal for a new all-time high coming in this month, I don't know what is. I did not know this when we started the stream. I did not know this when I was yelling about an all-time high this month. Let's fucking go. Let's go, zombie, zombie, zombie. How much is Bitcoin against drumsticks? I have no idea. I do love drumsticks. Great volume. Perfect, perfect. Safiasoa really wants that higher volume, but I think we're going to keep it here, my friend. Send it, Cactus. That's right. Watching from the Philippines. Shout out to the Philippines. What's up, Wojak Cosmo? Pennyways, my friend. Dude, I need water bad. Let's see if I can get some delivered up here. It's freezing out. This is the worst time to get distracted, right? As I have something like very interesting to... really interesting to show. The viewership's like climbing, and like I'm like doing all these things in the background real quick. I did not prepare for the stream well. Okay, here we go. 711 live viewers. We're pumping this up. Only 250 live, or 250 likes. Let's get those up. Let's get the engagement up. We need to have 2,000 people in here. Today is an extremely spicy day. We have not seen this kind of spice in a while. Retail's asleep, man. 25% of people here are either new to the channel or new to crypto. I apologize earlier. I said if you're new to this channel or crypto, but you know, either or. Could you say something in chat? Let me know, because I don't know if I believe that. And then I didn't look. I'm sorry. I'm gonna look now. Can we chart to USD? Yes, yes, we can. But there is value here. I think there's more value on this chart right now than the dollar. The fact that this is breaking is something. Let's see. One sec. We're gonna do a little 4x GBP USD. Okay. So I was, my speculation was right, is that the GBP was taking a dump, but this is not the dump that I would have expected. What I kind of read from this, because if this had broken maybe its January low and it was really capitulating, the GBP versus the dollar, I would think, okay, that's just GBP weakness. Bitcoin's not really going up, it's just the GBP is weaker. However, maybe we have a small element of this here. We can see on the pound versus dollar, 1.21, but not enough for me to dismiss it. So here's actually how I'm reading this. The GBP has been trending down. The pound has been losing strength. It has broken structure, damn. And we are seeing a flight. We are actually seeing a flight of the pound into Bitcoin. That's interesting. I think that's more than just down. This looks like absolute shit. Water delivery. What a miracle. I think we're seeing a flight here. We'll go back to the dollar BTC.D quick. We'll go back. Don't worry. I want to see if there's anything else here that might be a little different. Let's go on to the day quick. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Oh, this is good news. This is getting me jazzed. On the hour, Bitcoin taking a little breather, back testing 104.4. This is our weekly level. Man, I thought we would at least take a little breather here. Maybe we are. Maybe we are taking a breather here. Coming back down below 104.4. We did trade above it. We have broken it. Almost no matter how you look at it, though, this candle looking excellent. Looking absolutely, absolutely excellent. Ooh. Momentum, low, lower high, higher low, now at a higher high. Daily momentum, now up. Finally, has not been up since mid-December. Money flow following. VWAP is a little sketchy here. You may see a fake out though. VWAP may start trending up. That is the last kind of piece of this indicator I'm looking to come together. RSI with our higher high, no bear div on our high today. That is excellent as well. That is excellent. Wonder if I'm missing. What am I missing? There has to be something even more bullish. 12-hour money flow just rolled over. Momentum looking to make that higher high in the 12-hour as well. Man, what am I missing? Pay up, CNN. What did CNN say? What's up, LOL? ADA, yeah, we'll take a look at ADA. Dude, BTC.D BWP, what's that? You're glad you're on this journey with me? I'm glad I'm on this journey with you, crypto. You're not better off alone. Ozempic Bitcoin is the Prozac. What is Ozempic Bitcoin? I know what Ozempic is, and Bitcoin. Awesome gifts. Aw. Bullish crypto, giving away some membership. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna gift away some too. It's that kind of day. Thank you, sir. Bollinger Band with profile. Ooh, you know the Bollinger Band's on the day. You're right. I didn't pull them up. They should look good. We are back in bull territory. Check this out. We are in the bullish territory with the bands here. Today, trading above the bands. I know that's a scary spot to be, but you'll find that every single strong run, every single ripper starts with a close above the top of bands, whether it be on the weekly or daily or whatever. That's awesome, dude. How are those weeks? The weeks looking good too? Weekly Bollinger Band gives us target like 115. That would not be a bad high for this month, actually. That wouldn't be a bad high for this month. 115? I was thinking like 120 before. I hate Bollinger Bands on logarithmic. They look so wonky. Says, leave me alone, baby. Great to see ya on the day of the crypto ball. What's the crypto ball? How you doing, Crypto Greg? Yo, LFG, how my Vinay? I'm awesome, bro. Bitcoin is at an all-time high right now against the pound. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. The trade that I posted yesterday to our group, entered, exited. Doing great. What's up, Dave? How you doing, bro? We're gonna hop into some alts though. Bitcoin, it's not clickbait, it's not a lie. Bitcoin is actually at an all-time high. It still is against the British pound, which is just insane, dude. Where's Steve? The crypto ball tonight with Trump, big deal. Should I fly down? Should I fly down there? Just like walk in, like I'm on the list, bud. They'll be like, you're not on the list. I'll be like, well, hey, let me in. What's up, Jazzy Orange? What platform do I use? Vivids. I have platforms in the video description below. If you sign up with any of them, you'll get some perks in our Discord. Ethereum price, yeah. Should we do XRP or should we do Ethereum first? Who took this trade, by the way? I know this took a while to mature, like a wine, but so did the best trades. Who took this? Who went long at 196? Anybody? I didn't. I should have. You did, Sweet Bin McGee, Jesse Cosmo. Who else did? When OnlyFans? OnlyFans. I gotta put on a few more pounds. As soon as I'm bigger than Jason Casper, then OnlyFans. We have a trading OnlyFans pinned at the top of the group. Link. You did Crypto Beaks? Let's go. Dude, this was the firest trade. Holy shit. It took forever to play out. But 196. We did it. We did it. XRP hit all-time highs yesterday. This is not, I mean, it's great news for a lot of you. Great news for you that took the trade. It's all right news for me because I sold most of my XRP. I told you at $2, more than half. I mean, I still have some, but I had held onto it for years and years and years. And I was like, all right, good level. I'll take a little off. So it's not the absolute most banger news for me, but there is some implications that I've been talking about for 2 months now. And you guys know what I'm talking about. XRP, by breaking its all-time high, has done something incredible for the space. Let me show you. If you go back to a time long ago, you will find that many coins, in fact, almost every coin from 2014 to 2017, so this cycle, right? Almost every single coin from that time period looks like this. It has kind of like a flag or a triangle from 14 to about 17 or 16's end, then a massive run up to January of 2018. A lot of people in this chat, a lot of OGs in here started crypto around there. I started not that far earlier. A lot of people started crypto there. And then for 7 years, they did this. It's not just XRP. You've heard me say, man, yeah, I make fun of XRP, but like I'm a Litecoin guy, and Litecoin chart, you look exactly the same. For a while, over the last few months, you've heard me debate almost with myself in a paranoid way, like talking to myself, that I'm worried that coins from that era are just never going to hit all-time highs, because you don't realize the amount of time that passed here. 2017, 2021. That means that it didn't break its all-time high last cycle. There was a possibility that XRP and others wouldn't break their all-time high this cycle, and that would not be a good signal for their long-term health, would it? It would kind of suggest that coins don't really have a long-term future outside of Bitcoin. And I said, however, if XRP breaks its all-time high, we may then say other coins are likely to do the same, because we finally have like an example of it, of one that has done this and left the trap. It did it, boys. It did it yesterday. And it is amazing. Amazing. We talked about a profit-taking strategy, I think on Wednesday. The first target hit right there. It was like 324. Maybe 450, maybe 5-ish. Do as high as 6. And then that moon target 24-ish. This is how I would play it. This is how I am going to play it, actually. I should sell a little bit more today. We also went over like kind of this possibility. So at $6, right? The market cap would double. It's currently at 320. At 650, doubling the market cap makes it equal to Ethereum in market cap. That's not that crazy. XRP has been the number 2 before. Back here it was the number 2. Never has been the number 1. I don't know why people are posting that fake thing. It's never been number 1. And then even more interesting. So 650 is this extension using our fib tool, using the extension from 2017, this $25 target. While that sounds crazy, is actually basically equal to the Bitcoin market cap, the current Bitcoin market cap. So it's weird. These two macro extensions pointing to the number 1 and number 2 biggest market caps in the space. Something important to know though, is while 650 could happen quickly and reasonably, it could match Ethereum or even overtake Ethereum in market cap. This one up here is incredibly unlikely to happen without Bitcoin expanding, doubling, tripling, the whole market probably doubling, tripling, maybe a $10 trillion market cap. That's just the nature of this space. So what I'm saying is XRP could take the number 2 slot, but number 1, that's some hopium. Not even I can smoke. I think 650 is very likely. I would probably cut it a little early at 5 though. Let's see what we got going on today. Sorry for your losses. Prayers and love sent your way. What losses? Who? No, chemistry bro. XRP never flipped Bitcoin. Now there's like a fake screenshot, dude. It's not real. It's not real. Here we go. It's not real, right? Binance isn't gonna have it. Son of a bee. Let's do. Okay, let's just do this. We have XRP's market cap. Here we go. Divided by BTC's market cap, right? There you go. Bitcoin. No, by BTC. No, by BTC. Come on. This is how we know. Right there. Nope. Not even. It's been half of Bitcoin's market cap. In order for it to flip Bitcoin, for it to be number 1, This chart would have to be up here at 1. It would have to be above 1. It's been at 0.5, so it's been half of it. There's like a fake screenshot going around from 2018 that like accounts are like not shit posting, like seriously posting. It's just not real. I don't know. It's not real. Crypto cap. So watch this. It has. This is what I said. XRP's been number 2 before. XRP, dude, my eye is bothering me again, has been a bigger market cap than Ethereum. There you go. It traded above 1 from October 18 to March 19 up here, but not Bitcoin. Definitively and for a fact, not Bitcoin. Is what it is. I honestly, guys, I think it's unlikely anything like ever flips it. Dude, eyelash in my eye. I think it's unlikely anything does in our lifetime, to be honest. The difference is a magnitude of 10 right now. If anything even does, it would be like a wick. Can we talk about dominance and death cross? Is there a dominance death cross? Let me look. XRP though, let me finish XRP. We have a higher high, an all-time high. You might look back at $3. Like if you're looking for an entry, you could look back to that resistance to $3. Was resistance. Maybe it's gonna be tested as support. I don't really like it buying up that high, but it's what it is, right? Either you're gonna FOMO or not. Bitcoin coming back down, cooling off a little bit against the dollar, cooling off a little bit against the pound, but this is gonna be interesting. I wonder if the pound, if it comes right back to 85.250 and then bounces, and Bitcoin dollar bounces at the same time. Let's put an alert. We did have an all-time high during this live though. GBP. Dominance. Let's get a dominance. So he said death cross. ONDO, HBAR, we can get to them. Let's look for a cross. He said a cross. So there's crosses happening all the time. That's the issue. Let's look at 50-20. So we did have a death cross on Bitcoin dominance on the day. January 11th. Traded a little bit lower yesterday. Now we have a green candle. That's not bad. We'll get to Ethereum, brother. We'll get there. You don't need to spam it. We're looking at dominance, and we'll go to Ethereum. On the week, not even close. Interesting, though. So a lot of time when we see these big time frame golden and death crosses, they don't play out well. So like here's probably an example, right? Didn't really go lower. Golden cross right here back in January of last year, and just kept moving up. That one actually played. So I think you're talking about the daily death cross. Honestly, it's totally invalidated now. Like yesterday might have been a little sketchier, but we held that low. And now we are back above the 50 and 200. Like as long as we are above these two here, this is invalidated. And we're actually looking for like a bullish kiss even on those crosses. I'm not convinced Bitcoin is done here. Bitcoin dominance is done here. We are seeing alts run though, so a little bit of relief from that pressure. That's a good thing. Trilton has a point. What does he say? Where'd the Bitcoin 100K tattoo? I know. All right, I promised you guys by the end of the month, I will have the design and it's scheduled. That's my promise. That's my promise. It's happening. I'm not like backing out of it. I want it. I'm glad I didn't get it though when it first happened, because my shoulders have gotten significantly bigger and I think it would have just like made it look stretched out and weird. But we're getting it, boys. It's gonna be streamed live when I get it, don't worry. XRP is TP time, yeah. XRP is not decentralized, Lana. I agree. Sadly, outside of Bitcoin, there are not many decentralized things in this space. Eating curry and Bitcoin's going up. That is the life. That is the life, my friend. Nobody to listen. Late indicator. Everything. Name an indicator that's not late. What was this point? Tattoo. Zcash. We're gonna look at Ethereum. You think only ETH could ever take over Bitcoin? I don't think it ever will. I don't think it will. Virtuals, we could follow up on that. HBAR, ONDO. Yeah. So we're gonna do Ethereum. We're gonna do Ethereum first. We're gonna update the Ethereum. We should do Litecoin too. Litecoin traded 141 yesterday. Where's HBAR? ONDO. HBAR. We'll touch on this quick. I'm gonna do less in depth than I usually do. I find that I get too caught up in charts, and I really want to find something, but there's not always something to find. And then I'm just like hyper fixated on something that not everyone's watching, right? Well, let's just go ahead and call out ALGO right away, even though no one said ALGO, they said ONDO. The theoretical short we placed yesterday got nuked. However, 50 cents does look like it's rejecting price a little bit here. We could look for a long entry on ALGO at 40 or 44 cents, either or. Depends how aggressive you want to be with it. But this is looking pretty good. This isn't even one someone asked for though. ONDO. We're gonna do Ethereum though. I'm just getting these pulled up. Wrecked. Okay, Ethereum. Let's start with the bad news always. Ethereum, this is the quarterly chart against Bitcoin, and this is why I don't think they're ever gonna flip Bitcoin. Not looking strong. Not looking good. In fact, at the bottom of this month, it seems. In valuation against the corn, yep. It has not broken November's low. But it is not convincing me that it doesn't want to, man. Last month closed bearish engulf. This is a bearish order block right here on the month. Failed lower high already this month. And like, God, I'm not saying Ethereum's going to zero or it's never going to go up. This is just the signal. I am not going to be bullish on Ethereum in the short term or midterm until I see Ethereum against Bitcoin put on some kind of ground. It needs to do something. It just does not seem to be able to catch bids. It keeps putting in lower highs. It keeps breaking its lows. I think it is looking for 0.25. I think it is looking for about a 20% devaluation versus Bitcoin. It could still go up in dollar value, but I think this is very realistically going to fall. You are seeing some bullish divergence build on the weekly time frame. That's not bad. This looks like shit though on the week. That does not look good. Got bullish divergence on RSI on the day. Day's looking a little bit better. A little better. This is not quite there yet for me. I need to see this convince me that it's real, and then I'll be more bullish on Ethereum. That being said, let's look at the dollar chart. Wow, fire. You guys saw me take this short live. You saw me not close it live, though I should have. Our long filled, we should have reversed that position. Hopefully some of you guys made or saw the logic in this trade, made similar trades there. Does look like we sniped the bottom for now on the dollar pair at 2,927. Bull div on the low. I don't know if that's enough. Coming up slowly. I don't love that Ethereum has rejected from yesterday's open at 3,450. I don't love that. Let's see. But I do kind of like what I'm seeing on the lower time frame. All right. I like this. Okay. Seems as if we're painting a flattish top. 3,450. Seems like our lows are coming up. I don't hate this. And like resistance, higher high, back test, back to that high. It's being bid up. It's being bid up. A little bit, I mean, obviously slower than Bitcoin, but it's being bid up. 3,750 from the 6th. I think you see something like this. Honestly, I think you see this, right? Then we go to higher highs. But I think in this time specifically, I think that Bitcoin is still moving up. And that's where we see that Ethereum Bitcoin pair move down. It's just like a brief pullback. This ends up painting what, an inverse head and shoulders. Goes to all-time high. Send alert at 3,450. Look out for 3,750 though. That's looking good. HBAR versus BTC. So kind of putting that in juxtaposed to Ethereum, what I was just bitching about. This is HBAR against BTC. You see the difference? Boom high, held the lows, retesting the high. Honestly, Ethereum against Bitcoin looks like this. Looks like an inverted chart. This I can be a little more bullish on, or can be bullish on, against the dollar. Here we are. Did we actually get a fill? We got a fill at 23.6. Sick. This took forever. Resistance on HBAR at 40 cents. Let's zoom out. Resistance at 40 cents, but damn, dude. I think HBAR goes to a new all-time high this year. What do you guys think? You like that? Break 58 cents. You're probably looking for like $3. Oh, yeah, look at this confluence up here from the highs to lows. 325, 350. Still got a ways to go. Got a ways to go, but I think this year, I don't know the timing any more exact than that. I think this year goes to all-time high. Daily looks strong. Weekly looks strong. All right. All right. All right. All right. I still wouldn't buy on the way up. I wouldn't buy on a green candle. But you might be getting, you might get an entry at like 30 cents. If we look at our low to our high, our 0.5. Usually a better entry than at the high. Is that 30 cents right there in the middle? That's not bad. Might be able to get here. Something like that. HBAR looks good as shit though. Ooh, here we go. I speculated on this. We had an all-time high on Bitcoin versus GBP during the stream. Started to, I say, calm down a little bit. I said, I wonder if it will trickle back to its previous all-time high. Bounce. And that will be when Bitcoin USD reverses. Let's see. We're on the verge of it. Right there. Got a lot of fire trades lately. Let's go. Whenever I actually hit trades back to back to back, the market's bullish. That's like the secret sauce. When I start missing trades, the market's bearish. Virtual? What's going on with virtual? Fire trade there. What do we have? The SPX the other day we looked at too. I think we made the right call. I think we made the right call on this. This long here was playing off of a liquidity sweep plus the potential head and shoulders pattern, right? We said, man, we can probably eke along here to a lower high. And even if this is a bearish pattern, we can probably lock in profit. I'm not loving the way this looks. This does look like it wants to paint a right shoulder now. We'll see what the rest of the market does. It may just sweep and move. But right, I don't like this anymore. It hit $4 and reversed, like right where we were looking. Yeah. That's not the best. If you're trying to scalp, maybe you can scalp from 3. I'm not touching this again. We'll come back. We can come back to this chart another day. XDC somehow related to XRP. I think this is also looking for an all-time high this year. This is the monthly chart. Seems to be moving with XRP. Yesterday, not all-time high, but made the big move. We got riggedy wrecked back in February of last year. I think you can see an entry around 10 cents for this coin. Look for that all-time high, 5 to 1. Damn. There you go. I see that. We got it today. What's up, Nicky Boo? What's up, brother? Oh, are we gonna call it exactly? Exactly. That's a beautiful SR flip. Resistance, higher high, all-time high. Back to resistance as support. Let's go, GBP. Best coins to buy right now says AS123, FET, R, Sun, Zerk, Sol. The X coins, yeah, I mean XRP, XLM, XDC, they all do. They start with X. They're doing pretty good. You're right. What's up, Becky Chang? I see you subscribing. Silent Fart subscribed a while ago. You somehow managed to get me to say the word farts twice on stream. Well done. What's up, Obis? If you're out there and you haven't subscribed, not only will this number update in real time, but your name will pop up and I'll shout you out, and you can officially be part of our community. It's a good deal. It's free. Dude, if this call hits us, that is amazing, TA. Absolutely bonkers, TA. What's up, clocks? Litecoin, Litecoin? Litecoin. My thoughts on Litecoin ban, always bullish. I have been bullish on Litecoin forever. Forever and a day. You want to see some? I showed everybody this on Randy Hipper's show last night. Yesterday, not last night. Randy Hipper. I can't call her Miss Teen Crypto anymore. It's not who she is. She's evolved. She's now Randy Hipper. Check this out. You would think you're looking at the same chart. Litecoin, XRP. This is what I was talking about. They all have this. All of the coins from this time have this. And then they blew up in 17. And then they never did anything. They never broke their all-time highs again. Lower highs. They did lower highs and higher lows for 7 years. Like, if you go back to November, check this out. They're the same. They're identical. There's no difference on these charts. If you go back to, like, October. We were looking at this, and I've said this even long before XRP even got close to all-time highs. I said, these have the same thing. They're the same damn chart. So if one of them breaks all-time high, the other one's probably going to break all-time high too. If one of them dumps like crazy, you know, puts in a lower low versus 2020 or something, they're probably both going to do the same. Thank goodness XRP blasted off for the last 2-3 months. I don't know why this is not showing. These crypto indexes are not quite accurate sometimes. Maybe I should stop using them. I just like them because I have a lot of history. Last 3 months. Here we go. Litecoin, you're next, bud. Go back to 420. Send it. Go for it. To do is be. What's up, Armin? Steve V. You just wanted to say I'm the GOAT. You're the GOAT, Steve V. Happy Friday to you, my friend. What's up, Armin? Can you look at PAL? I don't know. What is this currency? Probably. I don't know what that currency is. I just have to look it up, because sometimes people will like request something and it'll be like 2 cents, and I'm like, no, dude, I like $5. I appreciate it. Let me get through some other stuff. We got some stuff lined up. Let me see. Litecoin looking gorgeous. This chart, I set it down here even on these lows. Litecoin's one of the only charts I think looked really actually bullish on Monday. It held lows, man. Just painted this structure, held support. I didn't expect this little rocket, but we got it. Litecoin, dude, Litecoin's going to all-time high this year. I can't believe I'm saying that. It feels dangerous to say. It feels like I've said it before. Litecoin, all right, so we saw it trade to 140 overnight last night. Retracing a little bit here, you can see the weekly level. Hanging out at 135, resistance above. Well, resistance above, we'll call it still. Below, we have a new support. 115, this is our local weekly support. Great place to look if we do see a sell-off into Monday like we were speculating. Great place to look. Oh, jeez. Dude, just full send Litecoin. Can we just full send it, guys? What's up, Kato? What's up, Matthew Schmeedy? Full send Litecoin. Just go ahead. $200. Great. Probably target. $200. I don't know if I'm ready to say $200 like by the end of the month, but I don't think that that's crazy. Like 207. I really don't think that that's a crazy target. Let's go. It's finally coming. I mean, you can say, oh, Litecoin's not gonna... Dude, Litecoin did some crazy shit, man. It went 11,000% in 1 year. It had traded for 3-4 years. Didn't do much, and then just went 11,000%. Am I calling for 11,000% right now? No. But I think that this is very reasonable by the end of the year. I think this is reasonable. Up here. If this happened, if Litecoin 10x'd, it still would only be the size of like, let me see. If Litecoin 10x'd right now today, it would be about half the size of XRP right now. Half. It's not that big. That's not that big. I think Litecoin is going all the way up here this year. I think Litecoin is going over $1,000 this year. I've been wrong before, man. I thought that too back in 21. I was wrong. But I don't know. I just think we got it. I think XRP has shown the way. And I think Litecoin's going to follow. Let's fucking go. Let's go. GBP bouncing perfectly where we said. Literal wick on the 1 minute. Moving back up here. Is this the exact same timing? 12 D9. 12 D9. Not the exact timing, but I think that's the right structure. That's looking good. Poll the poll. Placebo the poll. That is right, Shmidi. Let's see where we're at. 20% of people new to this channel. Really? Really? One person. Is there one person in live chat say you're one of those people, and I'll believe it. Just a single one. That actually is new. Like, maybe not. Wait. I was clicking. I don't know. I lost where I was clicking. Oh well. Husan? What's up, Husan? Welcome. You're all right. Maybe I was wrong. Thoughts on XCN? I don't know. We've looked at it before. I don't really have any right now. Should we put up the chat over here? You clicked the wrong one on the poll, paper planes. That's all right. Not new. You lied. That's okay. You can lie. You're new today. Fair. What's up, Marcus? You're new. Shout out to you, Marcus. What's up, bro? Fuel system jamming to Tom. How you doing, Ace of Hearts, my friend? What's up, AA? Link is link up. Let's see. Doge is up. I think Doge is going right back to its all-time high too. I think it's going to like whatever 79, 80 cents. Fire ass entries on Doge on this channel. That's why you gotta be subscribed. So you gotta tune in every day, catch the alpha. I think ETH is bottomed. Yeah, for like short midterm. The fact that no streamers want to chart tell makes you bullish. Why? I don't know what it is. It's not like I don't want to chart it because I don't like it or something. I don't know what it is. I've never heard of it. Or maybe I have heard of it, but I don't know what it is. It's like I'm not avoiding it specifically. What's up, Ellipsis? Litecoin going to 1,000 plus. I agree. Thank you for the great TA. Thank you, Burnstone. Are you a near or render holder? Yeah, I got some. Probably a little bit of both. Live Rosen is how you write out volatility. I don't know what that is. John, Shilling Titan X. Doge looks primed. Yeah, it does. All right, Link. I got some Link. I bought Link at $5, right? Back in like 2020. 2020? No, it was 23. It was 2 years ago. Right here. I remember Link. We did this live. You can like find this. Link broke out at $5 and then bought any, and I was like, well, damn. I was like, damn, I missed the boat. And I saw it go up and I saw it go up and I said, all right, I'll buy it back at $5. 3 years later, boom, $5. I bought it back, or I bought into it. Let's see. Weekly looks great on Link here. Looking to hold 2350. Got a resistance at 2350, 2360. Close that week above it, break it, and you're looking for a quick upside target to 30 again. I believe it's going to retest 30. In the month, you look pretty damn clear. You have already tested your lower high of 21 last month. You swept liquidity. You move back up this month. I said 30, but I think 38 to 40, very reasonable. All-time high, retesting all-time high this year, I think is also reasonable. I don't know if everything is going to break all-time high again this cycle. Saw a lot of them not. I don't know. TBD, but I think you at least see it move back to 50-ish, $50. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. We got your XLM there. Ooh, we made this call. This call came true. Who was here? Was it yesterday, Monday? I don't know. We said XRP, XLM, XLP. This one, XLM, XRP would hit an all-time low. It just did. Literally hit an all-time low yesterday. Weird. This is when it pumped. All-time low. What does that mean? I don't know. Maybe it means sell your XRP for XLM if you believe in XLM. Because this is the best deal you've ever gotten. That's wild. That prediction came true, though. Solana, back to 222. Damn it, this is like a cursed-ass number. We got wrecked pretty hard on Solana on the way down here. We got stopped a bunch. But it's looking good now, man. Order block on the week. Back tested. Swept the liquidity low. Back up. Sol closed above 213. Then probably gonna retest that all-time high. We'll see. This would be the big oof, man. I talked about like coins from cycles not breaking all-time highs. What if this one just pulls an XRP or XLM and it waits another 4 years? Or XRP or LTC waits another 4 years. That'd be so painful. I'm just saying that. I have no evidence. I have no reason. It would just be entertaining to me, I suppose. I don't like that it just nibbled at the all-time high and came back down, but it's holding structure. It's doing all right for now. It's doing all right. Will Caspa outperform this cycle? Outperform what? Be more specific. ONDO got riggedy wrecked. Man, I can't believe this was the most fire trade at 150. I wouldn't touch ONDO again until $1. I don't know though. Is there like something fundamentally wrong with it? Why is it looking so sad? Well, the rest of the market is looking pretty good. Still got a good risk reward right here from like 97 cents a dollar. Let's set alerts. Are you kidding me, dude? Go. Just go. GBP. What are you doing? GBP is going to continue ripping. This is bonkers. Broke its all-time high. Perfect back test, exactly as we predicted in this episode. As it was falling, I said it's probably going right back to that all-time high, and then it'll bounce. Dude, look at this. 85,266. I can still get skunked here. It still could fall lower. But to the minute, to the wick, I said it's going to move back to that all-time high. It's going to reverse, and then BTC/USD will reverse because it had been falling. Actually, I guess we can say it's started to uptrend on the 1 minute. Got a higher high as of this minute, as of the last 40 seconds. Oh, Pickle, I see you texting me an hour ago. I didn't see it. Audio's weird double. Yeah, you're right. He was right. Dude, what a stream so far. What a stream. We have an all-time high against the pound. A pound is one of the major currencies. It's not just like all-time high versus like the Venezuelan dollar. Like, yeah, what happens every day. Bitcoin looking for higher highs still. Like, this isn't over. I think this is exactly what happened. I think GBP backtested its all-time high. It bounced, and I think BTC now is going to bounce. It's going to keep going. I don't think this rally's done. Rest in peace to all the accounts that went into stables earlier this week. Yup. Oh, yeah. Someone commented on the all-time high. Bitcoin all-time high is 108, not 105. All-time high, 86.3, baby. Oh, Twitter, you never get old, bro. Never get old. VeChain, GBP's a joke, though. I don't know, is it? Kind of like CAD? Dude, CAD is always just like a weaker dollar, but GBP has held against the dollar for how long, dude? I don't know if a joke is like the right word. No, it's like the euro. It's like the euro in this sense of like strength against the dollar, dude. I don't know. Certainly I don't interact with it. I don't use it. I'm not using the pound. But the The pound was one of the last currencies to break all-time high in March. It was so reluctant. It was so reluctant. Because of strength. The dollar, and I think the euro took, and like maybe the SEK or something, I forget. Took forever to break. Look at this. Now it is leading. This shows weakness in the pound, yes, comparatively versus March. Shows weakness, but I think it also just shows a flight. It shows a flight. Exodus to the corn. I guess I say strength, but like that's like through the perspective or the lenses of September of 22. We saw it trade just above parity, 1-to-1 to dollar, and then it rallied for 2 years. It's really only been the last quarter of last year and January that it's been down. It is down 10%. That is pretty significant. That's pretty savage, but I think it bounces. It'll probably bounce next month. Opinion on XRP, it's pulling back, but I think it's going higher. I think it's going higher. Goat. Shitcoined. Arrow totally wrecked. Wow, totally wrecked. That's what stop losses are for, though. Yeesh. STX, no, we got wicked out. I think this trade's good too. I think it's gonna do that now. Wicked out. We're on the stops. When I say the liquidity was swept on Bitcoin and then we moved up, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Especially when you start seeing this on more charts of mine, where we targeted a low, we put our stop there, market comes right back and runs afterwards. Sweeps that liquidity, moves up. Brett, you are such a shitcoin, Brett. You have a lot of charts doing this, and while that makes them kind of largely knives, it's not bad. Like, this pattern is going to break up. You just don't know if you have, what, another leg down, another leg down. Like, it's gonna break up. No guarantee it will break this high, but it'll at least look for like a retracement, right? A lot of charts are like that. There's opportunity out there still. As long as you're not chasing the few coins that are up at their highs right now, you're good. Ooh, SPX. We looked at this one. Let's see. Did I make a chart for it? Contosaurus, where is it? I think we might even put like a... I think we might even put a trade somewhere. Blank copy. The hell is this? Tima. I don't even remember looking at this. Entry was good. Resistance play. No, that doesn't look bad. Where is this chart? It's gonna drive me nuts. It's gonna drive me nuts. I can't find this chart. I think there's like so many blanks it could be. Date modified. Newest first. How is 2024 the newest? We have one right here. It's 2025. Another one, 2020. What the f are you talking about, Tring? You're on crack. What do you mean? All right, I won't look for this forever, but last one I'll try. I really want to find this chart. I might have to just go back and look at, yeah, let's have to go back and look to see if I can find the timestamp instead. That's super obnoxious, but whatever. What a good price action day. We have all-time highs against the GBP, against the pound. I gotta start saying the pound. Bitcoin, dollar making big moves. I think it has more moves to be made today. I don't think it's done. I don't think it's done. We have 410 likes, guys. We have 800 views, 800 viewers, 410 likes. Can we get 420 likes? We just need 10 people to hit that button. That's it. I'll never ask for anything again. Speaking of never asking for anything again, make sure you also subscribe. Make sure you also subscribe. Also subscribe. Check out the links in the video description below, of course. You also should check out our new group. This is the group I was talking about. Learn from experts. You can still get 50% off. Check out the pinned post on the chat. Still 50% off for life, the lifetime subscription. We have many analysts, live streams exclusive to the group, signals, trading stuff, all kinds, everything you could ask for. We just started this up last month. It's getting better every single day. We just added a bunch of analysts. We'll have our 4th exclusive stream Q&A content on Saturday. It's still time to sign up for that. You should do that. You should do that. Time to dump it all, you say. All right, dump it all. Go for it. I ain't afraid. Yeah, bros, it's Friday. We've been live an hour and a half. Bitcoin is literally waiting for me to close the stream. GBP broke all-time high against Bitcoin. The pounder broke all-time high against Bitcoin. Back tested that all-time high with a wick and is now up. Bitcoin against the pound, I think, is going for another all-time high today. Bitcoin against the dollar, I think, is going to an all-time high. It's possible before Monday. It's absolutely possible. I think it'll go to an all-time high this month with great confidence. I don't know if it'll be before Monday, but great confidence this month. Charts up. Bears are wrecked yet again. Don't worry, there'll be another time. They'll claim victory again. They always do. But it's bullish, baby. Is it a Telegram? Anyone's in for trading? Michael Custom. No, dude. Every single person who wants you to talk to them on Telegram about crypto or trading is scamming you. And if you're trying to get people to talk to you on Telegram, you're scamming. That's right. Tom for White House Bitcoin chair of the Crown Strategic Reserve. I like the sound of that. What do you think about the liquidation pool? Running or rolling? I think we're running. Without sound is weird. You're the best voice in crypto. Thank you. Got you on the background all the time. Hell yeah, Mr. Roberts. Hells yeah. What's up, Blue Sky? Dear Eddie. What do you think about Lino? I have no idea. Coin called Lino. I've never heard of it. Never heard of Titan X. Pump or dump after Monday? I think we dump Monday. If we continue up into the weekend, I think we dump Monday. But I don't think the rally will be over. I think we have many, many months of green in this year to come. Don't let the bears get into your brain. Don't let them poison your well. The bull run is not over. We've got it like we've got a whole year. By the end of this year. By the start of next year, I think it'll be over, but it's not over yet. We've been live for a while. Bitcoin's, like I said, literally waiting. The second I turn the stream off, it's going to move. If the dollar runs to an all-time high, we will go live no matter what day, no matter what time it is. We will go live. Could be the second I close this stream. We will go live again. If we do not get Spice today or into the weekend, we will be live again on Monday. We're live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday every single week for 6 years. In between Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays when it's very spicy and special. Make sure you're subscribed in the Discord, notifications on. Check out the course. Join us. Join the course. No, not even check it out. Join the course. If you are looking to improve your trading this year, if you want to take yourself from struggling to being confident, you can't guarantee return. This is only scammers can do that, and they can only lie about it. But I can guarantee that the group will help you. The group will help you. Sign up. We've had like 35 people sign up. I want it to be 100 by the end of Q1. I want this community to grow. We have 4 analysts working hard in there, including myself. The value is there. The only thing missing is you. Pinned to the top of the chat. All right, fam. I'm going to let Bitcoin run. And by that, I mean I'm going to close the stream. What's up, Sonia? I see you. Previous super chat. I'm sorry, Jesse. I did not see it. AI BT by virtuals. What? Jesse, I can look at it in the Discord, man. I'm sorry, I missed it. But I'll look at it in the Discord for you. Because we're going to sign out here. I love you. Enjoy your week.